Hello guys, review smartphone Nokia C22. This version 3GB RAM and 64GB internal memory. Open box and look completion. In completion we have device in the gray color. On this key for SIM slot. Completion documentary papers, Type-C cable and adapter for charging. Okay, now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side, double camera LED and fingerprint scanner. On this side, display 6.5-inch display. Power key, power button and volume buttons on the right side. On the left side, slot for nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Upside, headphone jack. Downside, Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Turn on device. Okay. Look settings. About phone, we have Android 13 and run AnTuTu benchmark. Display HD resolution IPS. Okay, we have CPU Spreadtrum SC9863 and PowerVR Roach G8322. HD resolution, 5000 mAh battery. Okay, and results on AnTuTu benchmark. Run GTA San Andreas, look how game work on the device. Yeah, works very good. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.